this is my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video and its content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video. And I'd appreciate a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. And today I have a Boxycharm Base. I have to be the last person that gets the Boxycharm. What is it, the 29th, 30th? And I just got this a couple days ago. So I'm going to email Boxycharm and just find out why I'm always the last person. I broke into it because I like to have everything open so you don't see my struggles with boxes on my videos. So this is the base box, and this is how I butchered it. So let's see what's in here. Now I know there's no card, and I meant to get the prices before I did the video, but by the time I post the video, I will flash the prices of each item, you know, by the item. Sorry about that. So the first thing that I have, and to be honest, I already tried, is the English Laundry number 7. And it is a perfume, and I like it. It's a roller ball, and I just thought it had a light fragrance to it. So I was really happy with this. And to be honest, of course, you know, I am a cheater, so I did watch so many unboxings, and I didn't see it really in anybody's unboxing. So I really liked it. Did I say that already? The next thing, and again, I already used it, was the Hourglass highlighter. And I really like the Hourglass products. And look at the case. I use their blush. They have like the really nice blush, and I use that, but I really like the case. Make sure I open it the right way. And when I took it out, of course, it came out a little damaged, and I think I nicked it. But I really like the way that it went on. So it went on nice and smooth. See if you can see it on the video. But yeah, so I like this, and I know Hourglass is kind of pricey because I've gone on their website to order a couple things, and I know it's kind of pricey. So again, I'm happy with that. Okay, the next item is the Blink Black Lash Primer. I haven't really tried one of these for a while, so maybe I'll give it a try since I really don't have any lashes, and I've tried using the falsies and they don't work for me. So that's nice, I don't mind that. And then I have the Wonder Beauty Wonderluxe Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlighter Palette. So that's really nice. I don't know if I've seen anybody, and of course I don't know what version this is because they don't put the card. I know a lot of people are upset that they don't put the card, and then they say that they email you your thing. I've never gotten an email. I get the email, you know, that it's shipped, but I don't get an email with what's in it. And those are the colors. I don't know if I'd use that one, but it's not a bad palette. So that's nice. I actually think my base box is better than my premium box. I'm just a little upset that I get it like, you know, almost at the end of the month. And now I have seen this, and this is the Beauty Creations Cali Cheek Eye Palette. And of course the outside is beautiful. And let's check into it. Oh my goodness. Look at those colors. You can't be mad at those. So I'll have to play with those. So I got this beautiful eye palette. And again, you'll have the prices below. So I'll be able to have the retail of this box. We got the Wanderlust blush and highlighter. I like the perfume. Let me know if you guys got the perfume. And we got the Hourglass highlighter and the lash primer. So we got these 5 items, and then of course I'll have the value. I wish I knew the value now. So I like this box. I think this was better than our premium box, and the space box is only $25. So I have links below if you want to try Boxycharm to get a discount. So we have the base, the premium, and then the luxe box. If I would cancel a box, it would be the luxe box. I'm happy with my premium normally, but this month I have to say the base box really wowed me. So thank you for taking the time out to watch my channel. Please leave comments below. What was your favorite product? And as always, you guys have an awesome day.